always. Bravery, compassion, love, and just love. These are the words and much more. This is for my mom and all the mothers in this world. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Sarika Ma'am, Payal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Naksh, stand before you on behalf of Class 4A to present our class assembly. The topic of today's assembly is Mother's Day. Let's start our day by remembering God. Let's get ready for the morning prayer. All of you know about the latest happenings around. Now, I will invite my friends to share today's updated news.
Karnataka Assembly election results with the defeat. BJP back in the school and working South India. Indian Navy test fires from most supersonic cruise missile. Security forces burst militant hideout in Jammu and Kashmir's Anantnag.
Good morning everyone. Today is international news. Democracy in Pakistan at an all-time low. Cyclone Mocha set to crash over Myanmar, Bangladesh. Thank you.
Good morning. Today's first news. IPL 2023 Bangalore win Battle of Royal as they beat Rajasthan by 112 runs in Jaipur. Messi G during return game as PSG inch closer to title.
Good morning. Today's weather report. A bright sunny day with maximum temperature 40 degrees and minimum temperature 24 degrees. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A good thought invites a new change. Now, I will invite Taisha to share today's thought of the day.
Share the thought of the day. A mother's love doesn't make her children stronger and more timid. It actually makes them stronger and more independent. I repeat, a mother's love doesn't make her children dependent and timid. It actually makes them stronger and more independent. Thank you.
With the
are going to share their views on today's topic, Mother's Day.
Mother figures worldwide. It is an annual event but is held at different dates in the calendar, depending on the country. Yes, Riddhi, the toughest job you ever loved, and surely see her as a Peace Corps. But that title is more appropriate for motherhood. Mothers don't get days off, nor do they receive handsome salaries or generous pensions. Instead, they get the rewards from sticky kisses, a necklace made of egg macaroni, and the satisfaction of seeing their children grow up to be happy, healthy adults. That is probably not adequate compensation. So give your mom an extra hug, always hang over with her.
Of Class 4A to present a dance performance.
ओ माँ देखी जब से दुनिया तेरी ममता ही पाई माँ दरिया से बड़ा तेरा दिल है मेरी माँ ये जीवन सुना तुझको तेरे हाथों में जन्नत माँ रब से मिली सबसे बड़ी देन तू है माँ देखी जब से दुनिया तेरी ममता ही पाई माँ दरिया से बड़ा तेरा दिल है मेरी माँ ये जीवन सुना तुझको तेरे कदमों में जन्नत माँ रब से मिली सबसे बड़ी देन तू है माँ
The history of Mother's Day celebration goes back to ancient times when Greeks and Romans held festivals in the honor of mother goddesses Rhea and Cybele. However, the early Christian festivals known as Mothering Sunday originated in ancient Greek times and had a tradition of giving gifts to the families reuniting at the Mothering Sunday service. Children would pick flowers on their way to the church and give bouquets to their mothers. The Mothering Sunday tradition shifted over time into a more secular holiday in which children would give their mothers flowers and other gifts. This custom blended into today's Mother's Day.
By looking at your purest love you will ever know. This is the heartbeat in the home, and without her, there is no heart home. Mothers are like glue. Even when you can't see them, they are still holding the family together.
Mother is a name for God in the lips and heart of little children. The influence of a mother in the lives of her children is beyond calculation.
There is no rule in life which is more essential than that of motherhood.
Youth fades, love grows. Their leaves of friendship falls. The mother's secret hope lifts them up.
Will present a song on Mother's Day.
In the shadow out in the hot sun, the one who cares for you to have fun. She's the one who helps you call your first step. She's the one who bears all the mishap. She's the shadow out in the hot sun, the one who cares for you to have fun.
my friend so dear. Throughout my life, you're always near. A tender smile to guide my way. You're the sunshine to light my day. Of all the special joys in life, the big ones and the small, a mother's love and tenderness is the greatest of them all.
There is no blessing quite so dear as a mom like you, love year after year.
Performance by the students of class 4A.
She gave me life, showed me what was right, taught me not to fight the battles that weren't worth the fight. Right from the start, she held me close, and it's time enough, she was strong enough to let me go. There's nothing you can do that will change the love for you. When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away. Through the heartache and the pain, it was her love that still remained. Her love is gonna shine through everything. There's nothing in the world like a mother's love. She filled every need.
All the students who have their birthdays in this week, means between 15th May to 21st May, let's all wish them a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, dear friends. Happy birthday to you. May you have many more. May you have many more. May you have many more birthdays. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Invite Princess and Happy to say a few words.
Good morning, children. Good morning, teachers.
Good morning, ma'am.
Such a wonderful day. I think Mother's Day was when? Today? Yesterday. Okay. And did you do anything for your mothers? All of you? Good. I'm not asking what you did, but good if you did something because it's very, very important. Right? So, it's good that we are continuing with the theme because it's such an important day and this assembly is on Mother's Day. Is there any mother who's unhappy? Your mother's unhappy? Unhappy? Or happy? Happy, yes. We can't have unhappy mothers. If we have unhappy mothers, then you will be very unhappy. Yes, we have to have happy mothers. And how can you do that? How can you do that? Yes? Yes, I think that's the best way to make mothers happy. Help them. Yes? When we help them, we show how much we love them. Yes.
We need to listen to them.
Okay, listen to them. Yes. Because mothers love to tell us what to do. Even at this age, can you imagine? My mother tells me what I'm supposed to do and what I'm not supposed to do. Very important. So mothers love to tell us what to do. Yes.
We have to be kind to our mother.
Oh yes. We have to always kind and loving throughout. Yes.
We should show respect to them.
So another very important word after kindness is respect. So we have to respect our mothers.
We should care for them.
Okay, yes, care. We should be kind to them. Wonderful. One more, last one.
We should speak politely with them.
Alright, so when we love them, when we are kind to them, we respect them, we will obviously speak very politely. So wonderful children, I think all these values are not just for mothers, but for everyone. Everyone in your life, whether it's your friend, your father, your brother, your relatives, we have to do all this for them also. Alright, mothers of course, very very important, we have to do it. So thank you so much Pooja ma'am and the students of 4A, let's give them a big round of applause. They spoke so well, they danced so well and they sang so beautifully. I think it was a wonderfully prepared assembly and the history of Mother's Day was spoken so well. So I think we know so much more about Mother's Day now. It's not just a day. It has been celebrated through the ages since the Greek times. So it's important. Even they realize the importance of mothers. Thank you Pooja ma'am. It was a wonderful assembly. Thank you children. Amazing, amazingly spoken, very confident. Thank you Payal ma'am. Thank you Sarika ma'am for this wonderful assembly.
Thank you, ma'am, for your motivating words.